How to delete Weverse account permanently. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. Let's dive into the video. First thing first, go to the delete old accounts product on do not play. If you want to delete your Weverse account but don't know where to start, then do not play has you covered in 7 easy steps. Then select the type of account you are trying to delete, such as email, streaming service, social media, Weverse, gaming, e-commerce, and more. Tell us more about your Weverse account and including usernames and associated emails or phone numbers. Then help us verify your Weverse account ownership by entering the date you first created the account, when you last logged in, any payment methods saved under the account, and many more. Upload photographic evidence if you have any that can help prove your Weverse account ownership. Enter any last known or previously used passwords. Then enter your contact information and submit the task. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.